and welcome. Do you have a gift card of eBay but don't know how to redeem it or use it to buy products in eBay? Well, here's how you can do it. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna see how we can redeem gift card in eBay. Well, that's pretty simple. All you have to do is select the product that you want to buy with gift card. Now you can either add to cart or buy it now until we reach checkout page. Alright, let's select buy it now for now. Let's select it. Now, in this page, there are payment options. We can either pay with Visa card and other MasterCard and so on, or PayPal or Google Pay. And if you scroll down, there is a section called gift cards, coupons, eBay box. This is a place where we want to enter the code of our gift card, and if we click on apply, our gift card balance will be added and we can use it to buy the product that we have selected. If you found this video helpful, even a little bit, do subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section and we'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.